step number 4 on analysis: can we buy robots? Can we use robots to trade the market? The short answer is no. Most no. Reason why you should not use robots is based on that if you do understand step number 3, then the answer will be just easy no. Indicators, it'll be 50% yes. Patterns, it will be 90% a yes, because here you are practicing to understand market structure. Now, let's look at the graph. This is a MetaTrader 5 Android Apple device, MetaTrader 5. And for some of you who do not have a trading account, you will quickly go to our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader, and this is our YouTube channel. You search, all right, Bozza Trader. You subscribe, and you press videos. You watch the recent uploaded videos, and you can watch the old videos for you to learn some of the things. You can now visit our website for you to join our free WhatsApp group to get market direction. And if you visit our WhatsApp group like this, I want to show you so that you understand the group that you should join, group 2. And this is the broker that we use, all right, for trading the market. Here's a tutorial that you can watch there. All right, now once you've done that, you can now open your MetaTrader 5, okay, so that we can actually look at this together for you to understand analysis. We're not here focusing on risk management, which is part 4 now. Okay, this is actually the step 4. Now let's open it on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader trading our Android device. Our Android device. Okay, now this is Android device, this is a Apple device. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just quickly remove it just for us to focus on this, so that you understand what you need to do. We have sections here. Can you see the sections? Section codes, charts, trade. We go to codes, we see the assets that we can trade. First thing first, we need to make sure that we select the best asset that we can actually trade. In this case, these are the assets that I recommend, and this rest asset here, you can trade them if only you understand what you need to do. Now, why do we choose these assets? We are choosing them simply based because of this price. You can see this is 69, I think 69K or something there, 2,000, 25,000, somewhere there, or 200 and something. Yeah, but you will see the price. This is 4,000. Even gold, it's at 4,000, which is very, 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 very interesting. Okay, because once you see the price like this, that simply mean that the asset is worldwide. It's being traded a lot, so it has higher volume, and that higher volume is cost to what? It costs to money. I trust you understand. So before you do any type of analysis, you must make sure that you select the best assets. This is gold, so just go to press there once, go to chart, because this is what we need to do on gold. We need to understand what time frame should we use. Since I said no robots, indicators, yes, you can use them, but only if you understand this, because it's important to understand the structure. Now, what are we looking for here on gold? We are looking for, let me zoom out. All right, it's important to always zoom out on the chart. All right, we'll go to gold here also, go to chart, then we need to what? We need to zoom out, or we can zoom out a lot. All right, so we have to also set up this period separator here, which you can just tap here, press here, press here, press settings. It's important to have the period separators turned on. All right, and where's the period separator? Here, check period separator. Here, period separator separating day 1 and day 2. And let's go back here. And then now we have this vertical line. We have that vertical line separating day 1 and day 2. How do you see that? You see here, this is 7 January, 8 January, 7 January, 8 January. It's simple. So now what you're looking for here, it is simple and easy. You are looking for a pattern. What kind of a pattern are we looking for here? Let me look it for you so that you can understand better what type of pattern are we looking for. This is the pattern that we're looking for, and I just want to make it clear. All right, and I wanna make sure that you understand much better. This is the pattern that we're looking for. So basically, we are looking for a pattern of what? Of an M, and W. Simple. So we have to mark the above price, the below price. Count one, count two, count one, count two. All right, simple and easy. So this is the easiest strategy for beginners as to one you want to know when to buy, when to sell. But wait, Bozza. There's something that I would like to ask. Maybe you don't have the question yet, as of yet, but this question: fundamental to technical. What is this? Can you differentiate between the two? Yes, fundamental, we are mostly focusing on trading the news. So if I go like this, press here, and I press economic calendar, this is what you will see. Now it will take you to Google Play Store or Apple Store. If you press settings, you go to this trading economic calendar here. It will take you to the Apple Store so that you can be able to download it. Then what you do here, I accept, all right? So the fundamental simply means that we are trading the news events. Like when you look at the graph, let's look at the chart, and we change the time frame. Now we go to 1M. Let's press here, go to 1M. That simply means that we will be trading only this bar here. For example, depending on what at what time the news will be released. Okay, now we're trading events, like let's say there's an earthquake, for example. Let's just talk about the real stuff here. Let's talk about interest rate. Okay, let's actually filter the higher impacting ones and only leave the ones that are not higher impacting. All right, so as you can see, we have this non-farm payroll, but then some of you will not know what is farm payroll, so just go to the interest rate. Okay, I'll just look for interest rate. Here's the interest rate here. All right, so this will happen at this time, 16:45 on the 28th of January 2026. So we are expecting to trade this, and it will happen in just a matter of seconds, which means we are anticipating for us to maybe buy or sell, depending on how we do the analysis at that time. So we need to actually also apply risk management. So that's what we have to know about what about fundamentals. So to not be confused when you see people making money in just a matter of seconds, it's because everything is actually what they are trading using this calendar, and they know at what time and which assets they'll be affected. If you go to codes, you can see this is actually interest rate for Canadian, which means the CAD. If you go to search icon here, you go to Forex measures, you are looking for any asset that has a CAD on it, or you can just go to minor. Just go to minor. On the measures, we don't find anything. We go to minor, and if you find any asset that has a Canadian dollar, you add it. Like this one, CAD JPY, CAD Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I trust you understand. So you add that. So what you do, you click here, you click chart, then you'll be what? You'll be buying or selling, depending on how you do the analysis at that time. So this is all about what? Understanding the fundamental. Technical is what we are talking about right now. This is technical. So technical, we are analyzing the graph, the chart, for us to understand when to buy, when to sell. So it is simple and easy that way. So now when we look at this graph, we must understand the patterns that we should use, because the pattern they repeat many times, right? So we can be able to estimate, like in a monthly basis, how many entries are we expecting. Let's say we're expecting 10 on a monthly basis. Out of that 10, we will get 8 entries that are confirmed. Out of these 8, we will get 3 losses. So it will be what? It will be 8, and which means we'll profit 5. Profit. It will profit 5. So this is simple, basic for you to understand that okay, on a monthly basis I'm expecting 10 trades. I will get 8 confirmed one, and then 3 losses, 5 profits. Okay? So now you do understand that it's simple. So I trust you understand. So if you have any questions you like to ask me, Bozza, I want to understand, like, okay, so if it's like that, how do we know now it's time for us to buy. First, pay attention to the numbers. They won't lie to you. They will tell you exactly what you need to do in order for you to actually take these trades. So I trust you understand. So now, every time when we look at the trading environment, we are looking for this. We're looking for this. What about trading sessions? Trading sessions only applicable to the forex assets, all right, or foreign exchange assets. If you go to search, you will see the folders are already named what: Forex Major, Forex Minor, Forex Executive. So you'll be able to trade, but this one I don't recommend for you to actually add any asset here. All right, Minor is bad, is good, Major is good, but I don't recommend them. Since for me, I trade mostly the synthetic indices, such as this, what you see here. Even the gold, which is under commodity, you can trade it. But this, you can also apply the trading session, even though the trading sessions, they're not applicable. Trading sessions, when we talk about trading sessions, we're talking about the time of the day that you should start actually looking to trade. If you press here, you tap here, you'll be, you go to 15M, press, let's go to 15M before it's late. We go to 15M, all right, the starting of a day here. This is what we call the Asian session. Until at what time? Let's put a line here. Until at around 8 our time here will be 8, which is South African time. But then I will share a documentation for you to understand what the trading session. All right, so you can also go to our YouTube. I provided another tutorial as to learning about the trading session. So now back to the technical stuff, which is understanding this structure. It is simple, but you must understand the what: the stop loss, take profit, and also the lot size. It's very important for you to understand these three things. All right. So now, once you do use the structure, how you apply it is very simple. For me, I like to use the vertical line, sorry, the horizontal line. You press here, this line here, all right, just to pinpoint the 1 and 2. So then I will take a sell here and take profit here. It's that simple. Always I look for that, all right? Always I look for that. This is what I look for, all right? I'll take a buy and then it goes up. But then I will need to have a confirmation here, which is something that you can now add what: indicators, which is plus what, plus the indicators. You can now apply the indicators that you can apply. You can press the icon here, you can press to main chart, you can apply this one and this one, and some of you would like to add some other indicators that you prefer of your choice. So it's up to you how you actually do that. But then you join a free group that I have for you to get market analysis or get market direction. Let me show you the group on our WhatsApp. This is the group. These are the current members that we have at the moment. So I share daily market analysis as to whether we are buying or selling. So you can easily join this group by actually visiting that website. But you need to make sure that you first open a trading account. That's the requirement that you need to fulfill. You open a trading account with this website link, and then you connect your account. Then you can have a demo or real account. Then you can be able to join us on this website. So you need to actually make sure that you also text me, because you need to request to join that website, that group. All right, so I trust you understand. So now, every time, every day, we look for this. All right, every day we look for this, and I like to actually make sure that I zoom out and we trade this structure every day, even though some of the structure will not be perfect. So it's important to actually take note of that. All right, every day. And this helps me to understand the low for the day and high for the day. So that way, you can see here, was the low for the day, but then showing the W, and we can also find the M for showing us the higher for the day. This is the Bozza strategy that I'm sharing with you, so that you can apply it to your trading space and be able to make money. I trust it will actually make sense, and it will click for you to trade in this way. Now, back to, I want us to actually pay attention. Some of you do not know what a robot is. A robot is just an automated system that either uses the indicators or pattern. It's actually using the very same thing. It's just that the issue with the robot is that it is not something that can be able to adapt to changing market environment. So meaning that if the graph is going up, it can be able to find buy signals, but if the market or the graph start doing like this, it actually can fail many times. So it's not simple for you to predict how much money you can make on an average on a monthly basis. So it's important to actually what stay away from robots unless if you know on average how much money you expect to make on a monthly basis, how many trades, just like I did that side, that you get 10 trades and then you're only able to confirm 8, then you lose 3, you profit what? You profit the 5. So you must be careful of that. So I trust you understand. This is how we do the analysis in the market, analyzing this graph. So some of you will be asking the question, Bozza, what about hard time frame? Yes, a good question. What about hard time frame? Let's say right now you would like to trade, or you were learning that hard time frame shows the direction of the market if you want to trade. But then the hard time frame will only make you a bad trader. Reason why, if you're still new, it's better to start at the M15. This is a standard time frame because it gives you more time for you to practice and learn and understand that, okay, right now since I'm buying or selling, I must actually learn on getting many trades or many entry setups so that I can be able to learn how to mark a structure, how to actually set a stop loss, take profit, how to actually confirm the entry, because every entry that how we confirm an entry, we use M1, M50, M5, M50. So you'll be able to confirm time by using this, all right? So confirming entries by using this time. So I trust you understand. So I love you all. If you have any questions, you let me know. But the hard time frame is just for you to show a market direction. All right. So once you go to the hard time frame, you will have to wait a longer period of time for you to get an entry. So it's better for you to start using a smaller time frame and then you shift to the hard time frame once you fully understand what you need to do on a smaller time frame. I love you all. Stay blessed.